Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito na naman tayo upang mag-aral ng math. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa nature of roots of quadratic equation, particularly ang discriminant. Kapag nagsosolve tayo ng quadratic equation, isa sa mga paraan na ginagamit natin ay paggamit ng quadratic formula. Pero paano kung tinanong lang tayo kung meron bang real solution ng equation o kung ilan ba ang real solution ng equation? Kailangan pa ba nating mag-solve gamit ang formula? Hindi na, kasi pwede nating gamitin ang discriminant para malaman kung meron bang real roots o real solution ng isang quadratic equation. Ang discriminant ay bahagi ng quadratic formula na ginagamit upang malaman natin kung meron bang real roots ang isang quadratic equation o kung ilan ito. So, ito ang ating quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, kung saan ang b squared minus 4ac ang tinatawag nating discriminant. Ang discriminant ang nagsasabi sa atin ng nature ng roots ng quadratic equation. Kapag ang discriminant natin ay equal sa 0, meron lang tayong isang solution or isang value ng x o ng variable ng ating quadratic equation. Kapag naman ang ating discriminant ay greater than 0, meaning ito ay isang positive number, meron tayong dalawang solutions para sa quadratic equation. At kapag ang discriminant natin is less than 0, meaning it's a negative number, wala tayong real solution for the quadratic equation. Meaning, ang value ng x o ng variable natin ay isang irrational number. So let's have our examples. How many solutions does 2m squared minus 2m minus 4 has? So, una natin gagawin ay hanapin yung value ng a, b, and c. So, para mahanap yon, from our previous discussion, alam natin na ang value ng a natin is yung numerical coefficient ng ating quadratic term. That's why our a is equals to 2. Ang value ng b natin is the numerical coefficient of our linear term, which is negative 2. And finally, ang value ng c natin is the constant, which is negative 4. Now that we have the values of a, b, and c, isa-substitute na natin siya dun sa discriminant natin, which is b squared minus 4ac. That is negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 4. So, substituting b squared, a at c. Simplifying, we have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 is 8 times negative 4. Simplifying further, negative 2 squared is 4 and negative 8 times negative 4 is positive 32. Adding them, we have 36. At dahil ang value ng discriminant natin ay mas malaki kesa sa 0, then there are two real solutions. And if you're wondering, you may solve gamit ang anumang ways na alam nyo on solving for quadratic equation, and you will find out that the values of m are 1 and negative 2. Isa pang example is, how many solutions does a squared minus 2a plus 1 has? So again, kailangan nating alamin yung values ng ating a, b, and c. And our values are a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is 1. Now, we need to substitute that to our discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So, yung b natin ay negative 2, that becomes negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, because a is 1 and c is also 1. Now, simplifying further, we have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 is 1. And then, simplifying further, negative 2 squared is 4, and negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So, 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. So, dahil ang value ng discriminant natin ay equal to 0, then, meron lang siyang isang real solution. And if you want to check, the value of a is 1. Para sa ating third example, alamin daw natin kung ilang solution meron ng 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. So again, uunahin natin kuhanin ang values ng ating a, b, and c. Kapag nakuha na natin yung values ng ating a, b, and c, isa-substitute natin ito sa discriminant na b squared minus 4ac, which is negative 6 squared minus 4 times 3 times 4. So, simplifying it further, we have negative 6 squared minus 12 times 4. And negative 6 squared is 36, while negative 12 times 4 is negative 48. Pag sinimplify pa natin siya, that will become negative 12. At dahil ang value ng discriminant natin ay less than 0, then there are no real solutions. Meaning, kapag hinanap natin yung value ng x, makikita natin that it is negative 36 plus and minus square root of negative 12. Kapag alam natin yung nature ng roots ng isang quadratic equation, so alam natin kung ang root ba nito ay real number or irrational number, or kung ilang roots ba meron ito. So it will allow us to decide whether to continue our solution or not. So ang laking tulong ng discriminant para mapabilis natin yung pag-alam natin sa bilang ng roots at sa nature nito. Salamat! Hanggang sa muli!